This is a gas leak test on the Holley 4160, 12 volt fuel pump, putting out between 4 and 6 psi. And I just checked to make sure we were getting fuel by hitting the squirters. And we are getting fuel there. And all I'm doing now is I'm running around looking for fuel leaks. So we got a little one at the banjo. Okay, but that might be it. So I think right there. Everything looks pretty dry over here. See a little weep at the bottom bowl right there. Okay, that's from the accelerator pump shots I was doing. So I'm going to pause here, check float level.